Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to take your first steps into the world of investing, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down some essential tips to help you get started on your investment journey in 2025. Investing can seem overwhelming, especially if you're new to it. But remember, every expert was once a beginner. The key is to start with a solid foundation. First, it's important to educate yourself about the different types of investments available. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs are just a few options you might consider. Each has its own risk and reward profile, so take the time to understand what aligns best with your financial goals. Next, set clear objectives. Are you investing for retirement, a major purchase, or simply to grow your wealth? Having a clear goal will guide your investment choices and help you stay focused. Once you know what you're aiming for, it's time to create a budget. Determine how much you can comfortably invest each month without compromising your essential expenses. Remember, investing is a long-term game, so consistency is key. Now, let's talk about risk. Every investment carries some level of risk, and it's crucial to assess your own risk tolerance. This means understanding how much volatility you can handle without losing sleep at night. A diversified portfolio can help mitigate risk, so consider spreading your investments across different asset classes. As you begin to invest, consider using a robo-advisor or a brokerage platform that offers educational resources. These tools can help you make informed decisions and manage your investments more effectively. Don't hesitate to seek advice from financial professionals if you feel uncertain. They can provide valuable insights tailored to your situation. Finally, remember that investing is a journey, not a sprint. Stay patient and keep learning. The market will have its ups and downs, but with a well-thought-out strategy and a commitment to your goals, you can navigate through it successfully. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found these tips helpful as you embark on your investing journey. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more insights and guidance on finance and investing. Here's to your financial future. Let's make it bright together.